What's up, Dr. BC here, and in this video I will show you the gaming experience on Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2, and this is BCD technology. This is our Samsung Galaxy S Duos 2. For our previous video on this phone, please click on the link flashing on your screen. In this video I will show you the gaming experience on this phone. First of all, I will show you the specification. Let's see with this multi-touch tester. It will show you the number of test point on this phone that is on the display. As you can see that this display has only 2 touch points. So it is very disappointing to see this 2 touch point on this display. But it is sufficient to play game on this phone. Now I will show you the specification. You can find a ARM Cortex A9 1.20 GHz processor, Android 4.2.2. the screen density is 240 dpi and total RAM is 716 MB. the internal storage is 2.18 GB. that is very low, and it is very difficult to install a high-end game on this phone. The battery level is currently now 85%. The first game I will show you is the Asphalt 8. This is very big game. I have filled nearly about all of my memory with this game. This game is of around 1.5 gigs. So after installing this game, you have left with very small space. Now Asphalt 8 is loading up. Now I am just going to carrier mode, then classical, next, start race. Now it is starting. It is taking time to load. Now it is loaded up. Period 04. Now it is starting. 3, 2, 1 and go. Now you can see that the display is very responsive and the color reproduction is very good. You can tilt to turn your car. Oh, I have weak. Now let's try again. As you can see that sensor is working perfectly, and you can turn your car by tilting. So this game is working perfectly right now. Now you can enjoy rest of this gameplay. Now I am moving to this finish point. Whoa, I have finished first. So this Asphalt 8 run without any problem on this S Duos 2. So you will love to play this game on your S Duos 2. Now I will quit this game and proceed to the next game in the series. Now let's see what I will play. That is, now I will play this Subway Surf. Now let's see how much time it takes to load on this phone. It is loading up. Now it loaded very fast. Now tap to play. Touch response is very quick and you will find no lag. The color reproduction of this display is very fine. Now you can enjoy the rest of this gameplay. Oh, I have crashed. So this Subway Surf run without any problem on this phone. Now I will move toward the next game in this series now just by quitting this. The next game is Temple Run 2. Now let's see how fast it load on this phone. This game is from Amagi Studio. Now it is loaded up. Now I will show you the viewing angle on this phone. As you can see that you can see the display without any problem from the extreme end. Oh, I have the display is now turned off. Yeah, I will show you again. The display has perfect viewing angle. You will see the display without any problem. Now I will tap to play this game. Again, this is a chasing game from Amagi Studio. Now as you can see that due to this great viewing angle, you can enjoy this game. You can play this game on this SDOS 2 without any problem. Now you can watch the gameplay and see the performance. Oh, I have burned out. So this Temple Run 2 runs without any problem on this SDOS 2. You will love to play this game on this phone, and there is no lag, hang or any display issue on this phone. Now I will show you the another game, but before that I have to install one of this game. As you can see that I have very less memory, so I have installed this Asphalt 8 and then install this Death Trigger 2. There is option in your setting, you can go move your application to SD. This doesn't solve my problem with this Asphalt 8. Now I have installed this Death Trigger 2 and now I will move this application to SD. As you can see that total is around 270 MB and I can easily tap this to move my application to SD card. My application is on SD card, but you can see that the total remains same, 272. Now just tap this Death Trigger 2 icon to start this game. flip your phone to play this game. Now tap play. This game required internet to authenticate this application, so make sure that your internet is working properly. Now the game is loaded up. Now I will increase the volume so that you can hear the real-time audio. The game is still in introductory portion. Now let's start. As you can see that this game has no issue on this SDOS2. You will love to play this game, and there is no hang, no display issue, no touch issue with this game. Now you can enjoy the rest of gameplay and see the performance yourself. So this Death Trigger 2 runs without any problem on this phone. You will love to play this game on this phone thanks to great or perfect viewing angle. Now this completed the gaming experience on this phone. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscription link is shown on your screen. Fine tune us for more video on this phone and keep watching BCD Tech.